when when a teammate had pushed me out of the fucking way.
Yo, why you call football soccer is because English people don't English.
American football. Oh, yeah,
No, it's football.
football.
Oh fuck! I killed himself. Nice. I got him. He was on top of the roof.
I am ready.
No, I was aiming at.
Every time.
I'm a chef.
I can get you a job. I can get you a job. And you have job 3 times what the real firefighters make. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but that's like 100,000.
You know, possible. Whatever the fuck they want. It's a contract, right?
Stanley, you need to add me to friends.
I'm trying.
Canoe.
Chat.
I watched. Good night. At 5 kills again.
Oh my god. All you do is just accept my invite.
Did the website change?
Oh my god.
You guys are going. Just
Shut the fuck up.
I got him.
building.
And it doesn't know why.
But, like, tell him to delete all of his mods.
What's the base on there? It's where the British. Ah!
It's
Where are you?
killing people. Don't die now. I'm just another one down. Up.
Yeah.